Hi my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another cleaning video. Today, I am going to show you my morning cleaning routine, meaning the things I clean every morning when I am not at work since I usually work in the morning. Of course, I always start with coffee. I cannot do anything or talk to anybody unless I get a sip of my coffee because I need it to fully wake up. I'm going to go get my nails done in a little bit later so I am not having a big breakfast, which I normally do. When I'm in a rush and need to run errands but I still need to eat something quick, I get this breakfast sandwich and pop it in the microwave for about a minute and a half and I'm good for a few hours. I got this breakfast sandwich from Sam's Club.
I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
Let's clean together.
So much better.
If this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle, I am a wife and a full-time working mommy to my 8-year-old sweet boy. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for more cleaning motivation like this, lots of home organization, and mommy lifestyle. After tidying up the couch, here I'm just speed vacuuming it. I have to vacuum my house every single day, sometimes multiple times a day, especially at this time of the year because my dog sheds a lot. If you have a German Shepherd, then you get what I mean. After taking care of the couch, I'm gonna be doing some dusting. I really try hard to dust my house every single day because my house gets very dusty. I don't know why, but it does.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it. And you.
Shoes by this area always accumulate, so I'm just trying to put them back where they belong. And as you see, my son is already awake and I gave him his breakfast so he can eat while I'm speed cleaning. I now move on to vacuuming my floor. I don't mop my floor every single day. I do it every other day unless it's really dirty. And I try to do it at night so that we don't step on the floor anymore, and that's like before we go to sleep, so at least the floor is still clean when we wake up in the morning.
When you're not just I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it, don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it, don't you get it? No.
I didn't know something was
Moving on to the kitchen, I'm just gonna wipe my catch-all counter with my Mr. Clean concentrate diluted with water. I try to clean this or tidy this up every night before I go to bed because I like waking up with a clean kitchen. But sometimes, mess piles up really fast.
sorry, but we had something real. A bit of you, a bit of me. Now I'm swimming through a bitter truth. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Call out to everyone I know. Buy me a drink and help me let go of the suffering. Oh, help me get back again. Cause we had love enough, a bit of time, a bit of luck. Now I'm dreaming up peace of mind, getting unstuck. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye.
I didn't really deep clean anything, I just mostly tidy up, do some dusting, and clean my floor. As long as my floor is at least 95% free of dog hair, I'm happy with that because my floor is never 100% free of hair. I think as long as I have a dog, it would never be 100% free, so 95% is good enough for me.
Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door cause I need my time.
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home. If I did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. If you wanna follow and connect with me, my Instagram account link is in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!